Today we will be making this beautiful summer bucket hat designed to keep you stylish while staying cool during these warm sunny days. For the materials, you can use any type of cotton yarn with a bit of acrylic or polyester blend, the hook size of the 4mm crochet hook. We also have a pair of scissors, a tapestry needle, and a tape measure. So first we'll start by making the crown, which is the top of the hat, and we'll be doing half double crochet stitches for this. We'll be working in the round and be evenly increasing our stitches for every round. So for round 1, we'll start with a slip knot. Chain 4 and slip stitch in the first chain to form a ring. You can also just do a magic circle if you like. Now chain 1 and make 8 half double crochets in your ring. Yarn over, insert into the ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 3 loops on your hook. That's a half double crochet. So that's 1, you make 7 more. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 half double crochets. Pull your yarn tail to close any gaps in your circle and finish the round with a slip stitch in the first half double crochet. For round 2, we'll be making 2 half double crochet increase in each of our 8 stitches. So chain 1, then 1 half double crochet and 2 half double crochet in the same stitch. That's a 2 half double crochet increase. And let's do it again. 1 half double crochet in the next stitch, 1 half double crochet in the same stitch. So go ahead to do your 2 half double crochet increases in each of your 8 stitches. Then finish off at the end with a slip stitch in the first half double crochet. And now for this round, you should have 16 half double crochets. Then round 3, we will do an increase in every other stitch. So start with a chain 1, then 1 half double crochet in the first stitch, then a 2 half double crochet increase in the next stitch, which is 2 half double crochets in the same stitch. So the pattern for this round is 1 half double crochet in the next stitch, then a 2 half double crochet increase in the next stitch, 1 half double crochet, then a 2 half double crochet increase, 1, 2 for the rest of this round. Then at the end, slip stitch into the very first half double crochet to finish off this round. And now that you should have 24 half double crochet stitches. Round 4 now starts with a chain 1, then 1 half double crochet in 2 stitches. So 1, 2, then the 2 half double crochet increase in the next stitch. So that's 1 half double crochet in 2 stitches, 1, 2, then the 2 half double crochet increase. 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet, then a 2 half double crochet increase in the next stitch. And that's the pattern for this round. Then you'll finish off the round with a slip stitch in the first stitch. and this round ends with 32 half double crochets. And now for round 5, it's chain 1 again, then 1 half double crochet in 3 stitches, then the half double crochet increase. So 1, 2, 3, then the 2 half double crochet increase in the next stitch. So that's it for this round. 1, 2, 3, then the 2 half double crochet increase. 1, 2, 3, then the 2 half double crochet increase for the rest of the round. Then finish off this round now with a slip stitch in the first half double crochet. And now for this round you should have 40 half double crochet stitches. So basically we're just increasing 8 times in every round, and your stitches increases by 8 every time. So for the rest of the round we'll just repeat the pattern, increasing until we have a desired size. I'll just quickly go through them now. For round 6, it's 1 double crochet in 4 stitches, then the 2 half double crochet increase for round 6 for the rest of the round. Slip stitch at the end, and round 6 ends with 48 half double crochets. Round 7 is 1 half double crochets in 5 stitches, then the 2 half double crochet increase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 half double crochets, then the 2 half double crochet increase for the rest of the round. Finish with a slip stitch, and round 7 ends with 56 half double crochets. Then round 8 is 1 half double crochet in 6 stitches, then the 2 half double crochet increase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 half double crochets, then the 2 half double crochet increase in the next stitch for the entire round. And round 8 finishes with 64 half double crochets. Don't forget to chain 1 in the beginning of every round and slip stitch in the end. This is the first stop here. You can make if you want a smaller fitted hat, but we're gonna keep going and add 2 more rounds for this hat. Round 9 now is 1 half double crochet in 7 stitches, then the 2 half double crochet increase. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 half double crochets, then the 2 half double crochet increase in the same stitch, which will finish off round 9 with 72 half double crochet stitches. Then round 10 is 1 half double crochet in 8 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 half double crochets, then the 2 half double crochet increase for the rest of the round. Finish off with the slip stitch, and round 10 now ends with 82 half double crochet stitches all together. And this is my stop for the top of the hat. We ended with 80 stitches or 80 half double crochets. This measures 7 inches wide, which is a normal or standard size for women, but you can make more rounds for bigger sizes by just repeating the same type of pattern. Moving on to the body of the hat. Before we start with our mesh pattern, we're gonna do 1 more round of half double crochets. So chain 1, and for this round we'll do 1 half double crochet in each stitch in the back loops only. So these are the back loops, and we'll be working in there 1 half double crochet in each stitch. No increases for this round. So that's like 80 half double crochets you're going to be making for this round in your back loops only to start the body of the hat. Then finish off the end of your row with a slip stitch in the first half double crochet. Good. Now we can go on to the mesh part. We are going to be repeating a pattern of double crochet and chain 1. Be repeating the mesh round for about 5 rounds of the mesh. And now you can see, because of that back loop round that we did, our work can now fold, and it will turn that into that bucket hat shape. So now for the first round of the mesh, which is what you will be repeating, chain 2, which does not count as a stitch, and make 1 double crochet in the first stitch. That's your first stitch. Chain 1, skip the next stitch, and make 1 double crochet in the next stitch. That will create a mesh. Chain 1, skip the next stitch, and make one double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1 again, skip the next stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1, skip 1 double crochet in the next. That's the pattern for this mesh round. Super easy, right? 1 double crochet, chain 1, skip the next stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat that mesh pattern all the way around for a beautiful mesh look. Then at the end, chain 1, skip the last stitch and slip stitch in the first double crochet stitch. And that's the mesh round. And what you will do now is repeat this mesh round for 4 more rounds, 4 more times. So to explain one more time, chain 2, which does not count as a stitch, and make 1 double crochet in the first stitch. Chain 1, skip the next stitch, which will be that chain 1 space, and make a double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1, skip the chain 1 space, and make a double crochet in the next stitch. So we are not working into any of the chain 1 spaces, we're only working into our double crochet stitches to create that mesh look. So you can go ahead and repeat that. Finish off the round with a slip stitch in the first stitch, and go ahead to make 3 more rounds after this for a total of 5 rounds of the mesh. And there it is, the 5 rounds of the mesh pattern. It's just beautiful, isn't it? It's going to make your hat look so stylish. You're gonna love it. But now we're not done with the body. We're going back to half double crochets to finish the body. So chain 1 and make 1 half double crochet in each stitch and chain 1 space. So 1 half double crochet in the stitch, 1 half double crochet in the chain 1 space. You're going to repeat that for this round, which should give you back the 80 half double crochets that we had at the end of the top of the hat. So you should have 80 stitches. Then at the end of the round, you'll just finish off with a slip stitch in the first half double crochet and go ahead to create another round of 1 half double crochet in each stitch. As you see here, there are 2 rounds of 1 half double crochet in each stitch after the mesh to finish off the body of the hat. And this is the full size body here. The full size hat, we have the top down, the top done, and the body done. You can measure it on your head, see how it fits, see if you like the fits, if it's for you. Now we're gonna move on to working on the brim, which is the same like the top of the hat. We'll be doing half double crochets and evenly increasing around to make the brim. So the first round of the brim is done in the front loops only, which is those front loops here. And for the first round here, we'll start with a chain of 1. Then just like the top of the hat, what we would do here is half double crochets in 3 stitches. 1, remember it's the front loop only, 2, 3 half double crochets, then the 2 half double crochet increase. So that's half double crochet 3, then a 2 half double crochet increase for the entire round. Then we'll finish off with a slip stitch in the first half double crochet, and for this round you will now have 100 half double crochet stitches. So because we worked in the front loops only, our brim will be able to bend and form our hat pattern. Then we'll just keep evenly increasing for more rounds for a full wide brim. The next round is a half double crochet 4, then a 2 half double crochet increase. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, then a 2 half double crochet increase for the entire round. Finishing with a slip stitch in the first half double crochet, and now this round has 120 half double crochet stitches. For the next round, it's now half double crochet in 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 half double crochets, then the 2 half double crochet increase all the way around. Finish with a slip stitch in the first half double crochet, and now this round ends with 140 stitches. That was 3 rounds of the brim that we did. Moving on to the 4th round of the brim, chain 1, and you'll do 1 half double crochet in 6 stitches. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, then the 2 half double crochet increase. 1 half double crochet in 6 stitches, then the 2 half double crochet increase for the entire round. Finishing off with a slip stitch in the first half double crochet, and now this round ends with 160 half double crochet stitches. As you can see, now we are increasing actually by 20 for every round. So if you have been paying attention, we went from 100 to 120 to 140 and so on. Now for the next round, we'll be doing 1 half double crochets in 7 stitches. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 half double crochets, then the 2 half double crochet increase. At the end of the round with 180 half double crochets and a slip stitch. Now I only did 1 more round of the increase with half double crochet in 8 stitches, then the 2 half double crochet increase, and I finished off with 2 half double crochet stitches. Then I added 1 more round to finish off this bucket hat by adding 1 round of single crochets. Chain 1 and just single crochet in each stitch. Finish with a slip stitch in the first single crochet, and now I'm just going to fasten off my work to finish off this bucket hat. I stopped here for my size, but you can make more rounds if you like. Like this hat, I did 2 more rounds of the increase of the brim, ended with 240 stitches. Don't forget to finish off the round with 1 round of single crochet in each stitch. Then fasten off your work by chaining 1 and cutting the yarn. Then we're going to weave in all these ends. You should have 2 ends to weave in, the one from the beginning and the one at the end. And when all your ends are weaved in, that's it. Your crochet summer bucket hat is all done and ready to be worn. Thank you so much for crocheting along with me. I hope you enjoyed making your very own summer bucket hat. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you never miss a new crochet tutorial. And check out my summer crochet playlist for more fun and creative summer makes. Until next time, stay creative, keep those hooks moving, and as always, happy crocheting!